Today is a really exciting day because I'm getting dressed to go get my marriage license. Obviously, I'm going to dress for the occasion and wear this white dress. I just think it's the perfect little white dress to get your marriage license in. My little roses sheer socks. The crystal heels are necessary. Adding on these white earrings and this little hair bow to match my shoes. Lastly, I'm gonna touch up my makeup with this great kit from Mally Beauty. It's a partnership with David's Bridal. Everything you need for your big day or for any bridal event. First, I'm gonna use the shadow stick in Moonlight. Also gonna add a little bit to the inner corners of my eye. I also like to do a little bit here. The second item is the Plush Pen Concealer. Cover up like any redness. So I have like a little bit here on my nose and I'm just gonna like dab it in. The last product in the kit is the Mally Poreless Face Defender. This basically is a clear balm that you dab into. It mattifies any shine. All three products fit into your evening clutch so you can literally have it with you on your big day. I am ready to go get my marriage license. I look super cute and bridal. Bye guys!